Standard First Subject Maths. Hello students, today we are going to learn about the topic increasing and decreasing order. Let us meet Rahul. He has to climb 10 steps which are numbered 1 to 10. Rahul starts from step number 1. He climbs on to step number 2. Then to step number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and finally to step number 10. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to a greater number than the previous number. Thus, we can say that when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are in the increasing or ascending order. Or we can say that it likes counting forward. What is the meaning of increasing order? When the numbers are arranged from the smallest to greatest, they are called increasing or ascending order. Here is our friend Rahul again. He is on step number 10 and has to come down to step number 1. He comes down to step number 9, which brings him to a lower level than step number 10. Then to step number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and finally to step number 1. Did you observe that as he comes down each steps, he is descending or moving to a smaller number than the previous number. Thus, we can say that when the numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are in the decreasing or descending order. Or we can say that it likes counting backward. What is the meaning of decreasing order? When the numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest, they are in decreasing or descending order. Now, let us see a group of children. Here see, all the children are all of different heights. Who is the tallest among all? This is the tallest boy. He is wearing grey t-shirt and pant. And who has the smallest height? Or who is the shortest of all? It is this boy in the white t-shirt. Now, if they want to watch the TV standing in a line, one behind the other, how should they stand so that all can watch properly? See here, the children are standing in order of increasing height. The child with the shortest height is standing in the front. The height is increasing and the boy with the greatest height is standing last. Now all can watch TV properly. Right, children? So we can say the children are standing in the increasing order of height. We can also say the children are standing in the ascending order of the height. Oh, suddenly, if a naughty boy came, by how could the younger children hide from him, standing one behind the other? If they stood in increasing order of height, like when they were watching TV, they would all be visible. So, they cannot stand in ascending order of height. So, in what order should they stand? Look, where did the children hide? Well, the children with the shorter height stand behind the tallest boy. So, they are not seen by the naughty boy. So, the children stood in the order of decreasing height, tallest to the shortest. We can say they stood in the descending order of height. Right, children? Observe this picture. We can see that as the tree grows, the size of tree is increasing. It means it is in smallest to the biggest order. We can say it is in increasing order or ascending order. Look at the teddy bear. They all in unequal size, means different size. They arrange in the biggest to the smallest size. So we can say that teddy bear arrange in decreasing or descending order. Observe this picture. Here a growth of kitten is shown. Means small kitten to big kitten. As the kitten grow, the size of kitten is increasing. It means it is in smallest to the biggest order. We can say it is in increasing order or ascending order. Here, apples are arranged in biggest size to the smallest size. So, we can say that apples are arranged in decreasing order or descending order. Let us arrange numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means smallest to the greatest number. We move forward. We are growing up from smallest to greatest. Now look at this first question. We have numbers 4, 1, 7. Which is the smallest number in this line? Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest number in this line. Now tell me, which is the next number will come after 1? just after 1? Yes, just after 1 will be 4. Now, which would be the greatest number here? Only left 7. So, 7 is the greatest number in this line. Okay. So, increasing order is 1, 4, 7. We are going upward. Now, look at this second question. We have numbers 9, 6, 2. Now, we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order from smallest to the greatest number. Now, tell me which is the smallest number in this line? Right, 2. 2 is the smallest number in this line. Which is the next number will come after 2? Right, 6. 6 will come after 2. Now tell me which would be the greatest number here? Only left 9. So 9 is the greatest number in this line. So increasing order is 2, 6, 9. We are going upward. Now look at this third question. We have numbers 8, 3, 5. We have to arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest order. So, tell me which is the smallest number in this line? Yes, 3. 3 is the smallest number in this line. Which is the next number will come after 3? Right, 5. 5 comes after 3. Now, which is the greatest number here? Only left number 8. So, 8 is the greatest number here. So, the increasing order is 3, 5, 8. We are going upward. What is the opposite of ascending order? Descending order. That means coming down the step. Now here numbers we have to arrange in descending order or decreasing order. It means greatest number to the smallest number. Now look at this first question. We have numbers 8 to 9. Tell me which is the greatest number here in this line? Right, 9. 9 is the greatest number in this line. What is the number just come before 9? Right, 8. 8 comes before 9. Which is the smallest number here in this line? Right, 2. 2 is the smallest number here. So, decreasing order is 9, 8, 2. We are coming backward. Now, look at the second question. We have numbers 6 to 4. We have to arrange these numbers from greatest number to the smallest number. So, tell me which is the greatest number in this line? Right, 6. 6 is the greatest number in this line. What is the number just come before 6? Right. 4 comes before 6. Which is the smallest number in this line? Only left 2. So, 2 is the smallest number in this line. So, decreasing order is 6, 4, 2. We are going downward. Now, look at this third question. We have to arrange in decreasing order. Greatest number to the smallest number. We have numbers 3, 6, 9. Which is the greatest number in this line? Right, 9. 9 is the greatest number in this line. What is the number just come before 9? 3 or 6? 3 is the smallest number here. So which number will come? Yes, 6. 6 will come. Now tell me which is the smallest number here? Yes, you already know. The smallest number here is 3. So decreasing order is 9, 6, 3. We are going backward. Understood? Arrange each of the following numbers in an increasing order. Here 4 numbers given. We have to arrange these numbers in increasing order, means ascending order from smallest to the greatest number. So, which is the smallest number in this line? Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest number in this line. Which is the next greater number immediately after 1? Right, 2. 2 comes after 1. Which is the number just after 2? Right, 6. Now we have to come to greatest number. So the greatest number here is, which number is remaining here? 7. So 7 is the greatest number here. So increasing order is 1, 2, 6, 7. We are going upward. Now look at this question. Here 4 numbers are given. We have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. Smallest number to the greatest number. So tell me, which is the smallest number in this line? Right, 3. 3 is the smallest number in this line. Then which is the next number will come immediately after 3? Right. Next number will be 4. Now we have 2 numbers left, 9 and 8. So which number will come after 4? It cannot be 9 because 9 is the greatest number here. So naturally 8 number will come after 4. And the last greatest number is 9. So increasing order is 3, 4, 8, 9. We are going upward. Arrange each of the following numbers in an decreasing order. Decreasing order means greatest number to the smallest. Here 4 numbers are given. We have to arrange this number in decreasing order. So tell me, which is the greatest number in this line? Right, 7. 7 is the greatest number in this line. What is the number just comes before 7? 5. 5 comes before 7. Which number will come immediately before 5? 4 is come before 5. So, here we will write 4. And which is the smallest number in this line? Right. Which number is remaining here? 3. So, 3 is the smallest number in this line. So, decreasing order is 7, 5, 3, 4. We are going downward. Arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Here 4 numbers are given. We have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order from greatest number to the smallest number. So tell me, which is the greatest number in this line? Right, 9. 9 is the greatest number in this line. As we are moving backward, which number is less than 9 here? Right, 5. 5 is less than 9 here and 5 is come just before 9. Now, we have 2 numbers left. Which number will come before 5? 2 or 1? It cannot be 1 because it is the smallest number here. So, 2 comes before 5. And finally, smallest number will come 1. So, decreasing order is 9, 5, 2, 1. We are going downward. Understood? Now your homework is question number 1. Write the missing numbers in increasing order. Means smallest to the greatest. Question number 2. Write the missing numbers in decreasing order. Means greatest to the smallest number. Question number 3. Write in the increasing order. The number 5 is given here. You have to write the numbers in increasing order. It means like counting forward. Question number 4. Write in the decreasing order. The number 8 is given here. You have to write the number which come before 8. It means like counting backward. Understood? Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.